how to start poultry farming without money. What's up my people? Yet another video on Kirimo Farm. So you're good, refreshing, and today I'm bringing you a video about how to start poultry farming without money, which is not possible. Alright? Kwa hivyo niko kwa maskani. Mtanipata kwa maskani ya kuku pale mkipata pesa. Leo niko kwa maskani ya kuku. You remember me showing you this house? It was a layer's house initially, but we couldn't get the layer supply. So tukaeka this improved kienyeji chicken. Mnacheki huko backyard. Background. My background, Kizungu ni kizungu mkuti. Aya. So those are the chickens which are around here. I think there are about 100 of them, or I don't know. I think 100. Those that are laying right now, they are about 100. You can see, but they are giving back the profit. So sio mbaya. Yeah. So I want to tell you why you cannot start poultry farming without money. Kwa sababu watu wengi wamekuwa wakitaka kuanza hii poultry farming, lakini there are many things to consider, and everything that makes the world go round is money, you know. And there are several things that you require or you need in order to start poultry farming, and everything that you require is related to money. Alright? Yeah, kwa hivyo, for example, hapo nyuma kwa background, you can see there are containers of feeding. Like those are feeding containers. What else can you see? There are chicken. There is timber. Above me there is a bulb holder. Although there is no bulb there. I don't know where is the bulb. Even the other one has no bulb. I don't know where the bulbs here. Where did they go? But this place is usually lit. Maybe, I don't know where they are. Then what else can you see? You can see some cardboards, you know. Yeah, so basically what I mean is, point number one is that you require chicken. First of all, point number one, you require land. That's point number one. Utahitaji land ya kujenga, you know, ya kuweka structure zako. Whether the land is leased or yours, you shall need land. Sawa. And that is the factor number one. Hiyo ni kwanza ni factor number one. Like, it's the major resource in development, land. So for example, hii land nimefanyia biashara, it's a hired land. It's like a hired land since it's not my land. It's my dad's land, It's my father's land. So that's where I'm starting. Since I've started this farming maybe not a year ago. Like, hii farming ni about let's say maximum 8 months. 8 months ndio nimechapa hii farming. Yeah, so you need land, una need mali utaekelea structure, kwa sababu huwezi ekelea structure kwa kugeja yako, ama huwezi ekelea structure kwa barabara, ama huko kwa land ya serikali. You will need land, right? Yeah. Next factor number 2 for you to start the poultry farming, you have to have money to make the structures. For example, this structure, which cost more than 200,000. It's I'm in the first floor now. It costs more than, I think, if it's not 200, it's 300,000 for a capacity of 1,000. How many birds? More than 1,000 birds. Right? You can see these are just 100 birds. You can see it is underutilized, but mnaona hata nini hizo mabirds hazijajaa hapo. So you shall need the structure. maybe for example you want to farm maybe 500, you shall need just this structure which is not, ama uta need kama ground floor yetu bado haijawekwa kitu yoyote. Sawa. Yeah, so you shall need money, and you cannot, there is this thing that we call retiring early. For you to retire early or for you to get out of the job, lazima ukuwe na pesa. Kwa hivyo wale wanataka kuanzia their own business, uachane na job. Huwezi anzia your own business uachane na job kama hauna pesa. So it's not good advice for you to quit the job. You know, you quit the job and yani uanzie farming. Ukuje uanzie farming na uanzie na kuku kama 50 ama 20. That's impossible. Utaishi hapo utaishi hapo for quite a long time kabla uanze kutengeneza pesa yenye ni reasonable, yenye unaweza omoka nayo. But you can start slow. Ukiwa kwa job unaweza jiboost. Alright? Yeah. And what I've did personally, I'm an architect. Yeah, so pesa ya construction, all the money that I get from construction, my construction company, I bring it to farming. You see that? So I siphon from construction, I bring it to poultry farming, and that's why it's growing so fast. You wonder why I could be able to afford all that. That's what I usually do. Sawa. Then next is after land, after what do we call it? Structure, you need chicken for them to lay. So those are the chicken from behind. You can buy, you can incubate yours. So you can see that you still need, if you need to incubate, you need an incubator. You need to buy eggs. You see, you need to put power for the incubator. So you still need money. Pesa ni kila ki. Aya. Then, if not that, you need to buy these 1 month old chicks that you usually sell, maybe for around 200 bob. You buy them from the supplier. You need money. 200, if you need 100 of them, that's 20,000. You see? So, you still need money. Then, from there, you will need feeds, as you can see. No, you will need these containers. See that? And that's the feed. So, you will need these containers. One container is around 450 shillings. Kenyan money, or maybe $4. I think $4 or 3 point something dollars. Yeah. So you'll need that for the containers. Then you will need something to put in the container, since you cannot just go and get some scrapings or get some food leftovers and put to your 100 number of chickens. You will need either that one, or you will need Azola. You can check my Azola video. By the way, it's the new cheap way of feeding chicken if you have many chicken, and you can multiply. See, that one is great. It's great, very nice. Then we go to, what else? We go to, you shall need staff. Definitely you can work on it yourself, but you will need staff who can check on your chicken while you are away. It's quite comfortable while you have staff, but doesn't need that utatoroka kwa farm and you won't be available to check what is going on, right? Yeah, so you shall need that. That's money. Another point is you shall need to renovate these houses. For example, you can see from above, renovation, we mean that bulb, bulb holder has no bulb. Hiyo tena kununua bulb, that's small renovation. For example, if those iron sheets are torn, inamaanisha you will have to buy more. So that's more money. And you can see that's why you cannot work without money. Then what else do you need? You shall need to add more chicken. And if you add more chicken, more money. And part of growth is another point, but I was talking about renovation. Those for example, those boards can get torn after quite a while, because these is just a resource that can get torn, or what do we call it, that maybe can be demolished, not demolished, what's the word, I don't get the word, but ni kitu inaweza haribika, right? Yeah, so you'll need to renovate it. Then you will need to grow. So for you to grow, it means that you have to add the number of chicken, you have to add the number of feeding containers, and maybe you have to construct another structure. That is more money. Okay, yeah, so you need a lot of things, and you need money to do farming. So don't be lied to anybody that you can just come and rush into farming without planning. You have to plan, you have to get a business plan, maybe you have to stack loads of money for you to start this farming. There are cocks crowing there, but I hope the video is quite clear. That's why I'm bringing it right on my face. Yeah, so definitely that's it. I don't want to make it so long, but definitely you will have to need many other things, like for example treating your chicken. You have to make or to put money aside for random things or emergencies, like treating your chicken, like what else, what is the other emergency? Mostly is treating your chicken, and yeah, nothing else, and you will be good to go. You can see there are chicken there laying the eggs. Tunangojea collect, and we collect more eggs. So that's it for today, guys. Na leo nimeamua ni changanye kidogo kwa sababu ya our other audience, but I know the most number that is watching ni watu wa Kenya. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like the video, share it. Ifikie to many people. Yeah, and we appreciate your support. I want you to check the chickens that are laying right now. These are the laying boxes. Otherwise, let me see you in the next video, right? There's that one. So all these ones are laying boxes. See you later, my guys.